Hello everyone, Axis AMC has launched a new mutual fund. Let's look for some details. Name of the fund is Axis India Manufacturing Fund. Scheme is going to open for subscription on December 1st, closing on December 15th. Units will be allotted on December 15th. Minimum investment required is of 500 rupees. It is an open-ended scheme having growth option. 1% exit load will be charged for redemption within 12 months. Benchmark of the scheme is Nifty India Manufacturing Total Return Index. Investment strategy. The scheme seeks to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing in equity and equity-related securities of companies engaged in manufacturing theme. The scheme will be managed by Nitin Arora, Shreyas Devalkar. The fund will aim to identify companies across three segments: investment, consumption, net exports. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.